Hi guys, this is Rosanna from All Gifts Matter, and I just wanted to do a quick video showing you, well, just talking you through my glazing process for these dragons and this little cat. As you may know, some of you may know, I have done a video tutorial on how to create these dragons, how to build them. I still have 6 places or 7 places left, so if you wish to take the class, just do send me a message. However, I just want to show you the glazing because on the tutorial it's all about how to create them and build them. I do not show you how I glaze, so I'm just going to talk to you through these ones that I've made and how I achieved these colors. So this one was mainly red iron oxide and underglazes. So it was red iron oxide all over, and then I've put some red underglaze in places, and I have also put some orange underglaze underneath. And then I've done a shade on the wings, which I love how it turned out, and that's black underglaze all over there, and also on here is all black underglaze. Obviously the eyes, they are made in underglaze as well. All the teeth and all that, that's all underglaze. And then after all the underglazing and oxiding and everything, I give it a quick dip into a clear glaze. So that's how I achieved these one. This one has a little imperfection on the tongue because when it was bisque, just a little tip of the tongue came off, just one side. But I had some fix product anyway from Mako, and I reattached it. So I mean, it's only a very minor imperfection, and then I glazed it, and I mean, I don't think this is going anywhere anytime soon, so you don't really notice much. But yeah, I really love how this one turned out. It's really nice. I like all the shading, and yeah, the wings is I don't know, I just love it, to be honest. And he's got a really funny face as well, which is cool. I do like to create funny faces. So this one, in some of the photos, seems like he's laughing, actually. Not very aggressive dragon. But yeah, so that's this one. Oxide, underglaze, red, orange and black, and clear dip. So that's that. Then we'll come to this one. Sorry, I'm handling them with care because one of these is already sold and it's going all the way to Ohio, so I don't want to break it. Now this one also has been made with oxide and underglazes on the face. So this has copper oxide, which you see it turned green with a clear glaze over the top, which is really nice. And then there's also cobalt oxide, and a higher concentration of cobalt oxide turned it here into a very metallic feel, and I absolutely love it. And it looks like silver. I don't know if it comes through in the video, but I absolutely adore it. So this is cobalt, so with the clear glaze over the top, it turns a really nice deep blue, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And again, underneath is copper oxide, which turns green with clear glaze over the top, and I absolutely love it. I really like how this one turned out too. And then the mouth is the underglazes, and I like to underglaze the top of the teeth so it looks like gums, or you know, a bit of the blood and whatever. So tongue obviously is red, white, orange eyes, all that's all on the glazes. And you've got all the little spikes and things. And then again a dip into clear. I've got a big bucket of clear glaze, so yeah, that was that, just one dip. I don't really like thick, very thick glazes, because I do like to see the clay underneath in some of my pieces. So yeah, just one dip of clear, and that did the trick. And I really like how these one turned out too. This one looks a bit more aggressive than the other one. Yeah, but cute nevertheless. Now this one is going to Ohio, to a lovely lady who purchased it. Now this one, again, for the mouth, the tongue and the eyes, and you know, all the fins and not wings, the spine and stuff like that. These was on the glaze. Again, the teeth was on the glaze. Make on the glazes I use. You know, the bits of red and tongue and stuff. I've made blue eyes on this one, like very blue eyes. And then all of the colour glaze that I used, this is Kaleidoscope, and it's a Mako Jungle Gem. 2 coats, not 3, because again, as I said, I don't like thick glazes. I still like to reveal the clay underneath, because before I glaze, actually, I forgot to say that I put black on the glaze everywhere and then wipe it off. So I do like to all of that to come through. If you see, you know, the texture, you can see the black, and then I put the glaze over the top. But this is the effect that I like. I'm not bothered about having like just pure glaze showing, because this is not the kind of thing I like things to look a bit more you know, textured, basically. So yeah, this was Kaleidoscope, Mako, 2 coats, and then I also dip this in clear, and I adore it because the Jungle Gem has got all bits of glass and crystals in it, which you can see, and it's a really nice, it's a really nice glaze. I like the effect. So that's for this one. Flying all the way to Ohio soon. And that's that. And then I just wanted to show you the little cat as well while I've glazed this one. And you have a tutorial, which I will put the link of down below in the comment. And yeah, this is just underglaze, mainly underglazes. Grey, like a cement grey underglaze. Again, I put black everywhere and then sponged it off, so you can see the little line of the little toes and stuff. And yeah, so it's black on the glaze, red, and this pink nose, I just used white on the glaze with a touch of red, so it turned pink, just like you would mix any colour, acrylic or whatever. Really, I used on the glaze that way as well, create my own colours. Yeah, so it's all on the glaze, and then a clear dip, and again, nothing too thick, because I like to show the clay underneath. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. I know a lot of people like the glaze to be really thick and not show any clay underneath, but that's not me. So that's this little dude, and you can get to make some if you look at the tutorial. There's a lot of people who make it this way, but of course everyone is gonna have their own outcomes. It's not gonna be ever the same. So, but yeah, I think I've seen someone doing it on Instagram this way. So, but I just thought I'd make my own. I'm not sure about the name actually, otherwise I would say. But anyway, so that's that. And so yeah, I just wanted to show you and talk you through some of my glazing process. I hope you enjoyed it, and you have a clearer idea of how I glaze stuff. And also, again, I still have 6 or 7 places left for the paid. This is a paid tutorial on how to make this dragon. So if you are interested, just drop me a message or a note down below, and I will contact you, and we can, well, I can arrange everything. I'll explain everything to you, how it works and so on. And yeah, that's all from me. So yeah, thank you for watching, and bye for now.